Hello everyone, my name is Pulkit. In last video we learned about how to implement LBadge and button with badges also. Today we are going to learn about LBreadcrumbs. So what a breadcrumb is, you must have seen breadcrumbs used to navigate through the pages, mainly in website or the one who are introduced and are much more familiar to web development have must use breadcrumb to just navigate through pages. So today we are going to just learn how to implement these breadcrumbs in a much more easier way. Without wasting any more time, let's start implementing LBreadcrumbs. Implementing breadcrumbs is as easy as it could be. Just need to use LBreadcrumbs widget over here to get every item in the LBreadcrumbs. Just use LBreadcrumb item. And we want to write like page 1. You can see we have implemented it. Now I hope you must have seen it. We can make many more changes to these, like for the LBreadcrumb item we can change whether this is the active page. So what an active page is, that you are currently on this page. Like if I change it to true and want to change like the active color, we can say so what I meant by that is that when I am on this page, the color change should be of a breadcrumb should be red. So here we are done with it, and we can see over there that it just changes it to red. Alright, and another some more changes we can made is like about the spacing. You can see there is an angle right icon over there. To have a spacing between the LBreadcrumb item and the icon, and hope we also want to change the separator, that right angle icon also. Just go through this. We can see what its type is. It's a widget type, no issues. We want here is a accessibility icon. And here we are done with it. To learn more about Liquid or its component, just log on to liquid.stackorion.com or log into github.com into the Liquid repository and just go through the readme file. It's very much descriptive and is easily understandable. Thank you.